less than 1.10 carbon dioxide's effect on temperature. To get started, you will need 2 PocketLab weather sensors, 2 temperature probes, and then the equipment for this experiment, which includes a heat lamp, 2 jars, plastic wrap, vinegar, and baking soda. To get started, we will connect both of our PocketLab sensors to the app. Turn one of the devices on, and then go to the app at thepocketlab.com/app. Press Start Collecting Data, and it will take you to the Trials page, and then select Connect a PocketLab. You should see the PocketLab weather appear on the Bluetooth connection screen. Click on the device and then click Pair, and you'll see the LED indicator go from flashing green and red to flashing green 3 times. And then a connection screen will pop up on the browser. Then you will see data coming in live from the PocketLab sensor. To connect to a second device in a separate browser tab or window, go to the PocketLab app and then select Start Collecting Data in the same way. Connect to PocketLab. And you can tell between the devices by the signal strength icon in the Bluetooth pairing window. Select the device that is currently in pairing mode and then click Pair. The device will pair, and then you will have 2 measurements in windows side by side. We are going to reconfigure what data is being collected. We're going to use the temperature probes, which are already attached to the PocketLab weather devices. So on the screen, select the Graph Select menu, deselect the measurement conditions, and we just want to look at the temperature probe. So click Temperature Probe and then hit Done. And you should see the screen clear, and then a line graph of the current measurements will appear. Do the same for the other sensor. At this point, we can scroll to the bottom of the graph and click Record so that we can start saving data as we go through our procedure. Data will be collected and displayed side by side on your computer screen. The purpose of this experiment is to look at how the concentration of gases inside a container might affect the amount of heat absorbed from a heat source like the sun, or in this case, a heat lamp. In the container on the right is liquid, which is vinegar, and then air that's just of the concentration of the room air. On the left, we will pour in baking soda, which will react with the vinegar and create carbon dioxide gas, which will fill up the container. And then we will collect temperature data and see how that changes for the jar with just the room air versus the jar with the CO2 gas created from the reaction. So we're quickly going to pour the baking soda into the container, close the container as quickly as we can, cap it with the screw top, and then we'll place our temperature probes inside. make sure that the temperature probe is above the liquid level, so it's measuring the temperature of the gas inside the container. And then let your experiment run for as long as 15 minutes for the temperature to reach a steady state where it's no longer increasing.